Hey there, pet lovers! Today, we're diving into the best dog kiddie pool available in the market, the CACSPS Foldable Dog Pool. Whether you're looking to keep your furry friends cool in the summer or just want a versatile water play option for your backyard, this might be the perfect fit. Stick around as we explore its features, durability, and overall value. Let's get started. The CACSPS Foldable Dog Pool isn't your average kiddie pool. It's designed with both pets and kids in mind. Made from durable materials like 0.5mm thickened PVC and a 6mm high-strength PP hard plastic board. This ensures it stands strong against playful pets without toppling over. Plus, the non-slip bottom provides added safety, preventing slips and slides during water fun. One of the standout features of this pool is its collapsible design. No need for inflating, simply unfold it and fill with water. It's incredibly portable, making it easy to transport to the beach or set up in your backyard. Beyond being a dog pool, it doubles as a kiddie pool, a pet bath, and even a sandbox or ball pit for kids. Versatility like this means it's not just a seasonal item, it's a year-round entertainment solution. Available in multiple sizes, ranging from 32 inches up to a spacious 87 inches, there's a size suitable for every pet and family need. The thicker PVC material and sturdy frame ensure longevity, even with daily use. It also includes a convenient drain valve for quick water release and comes with repair patches for any unexpected mishaps. Although it's built to withstand rough play, users rave about how easy it is to maintain. It's designed to be easy to clean and folds up effortlessly for storage when not in use. Just remember to trim your pet's nails before use to prevent accidental punctures. The pool is a hit among pet owners who appreciate the low maintenance and high durability it offers, especially during the scorching summer months. In conclusion, the CACSPS Foldable Dog Pool isn't just a kiddie pool, it's a game changer for both pets and families alike. Its robust construction, versatility, and ease of use make it a must-have for any household with active pets or kids. Whether you're planning a day at the beach or a backyard staycation, this pool delivers on both fun and functionality. Ready to treat your furry friend to the ultimate water play experience? Check out the link in the description below to get your own CACSPS Foldable Dog Pool today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more pet product reviews, and as always, thanks for watching.